Preparing a baby meal with oats is simple and nutritious. Here's a basic guide to making oat porridge for your baby. #### Ingredients: a 1/4 cup of oats, rolled or steel cut. 1 cup of water or milk, breast milk, formula, or cow's milk if your baby is over 1 year old. Optional: mashed fruit, like banana, apple, or pear, a pinch of cinnamon, or a little yogurt for added flavor and nutrition. #Steps: 1. Cook the oats. Bring the water or milk to a boil in a small saucepan. Add the oats, reduce the heat to low, and let it simmer. Cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the oats are soft and have absorbed the liquid. 2. Blend or mash, optional, for younger babies, 6 to 8 months. You might want to blend the cooked oats to make a smoother texture. You can use a blender or an immersion blender. For older babies, 9+ months, you can serve the oats as is or mash them lightly with a fork. 3. Add extras. Stir in any mashed fruit, a pinch of cinnamon, or a little yogurt for added flavor and nutrition. Make sure the fruit is well mashed and appropriate for your baby's age. 4. Cool and serve. Let the oats cool down to a safe temperature before serving them to your baby. #Tips. Consistency. You can adjust the consistency by adding more liquid if needed. Storage. Leftover oat porridge can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Reheat it gently, adding a little extra liquid to thin it out if necessary. This oat porridge is a healthy, fiber-rich meal that's gentle on a baby's tummy and easy to customize.